Did you know that 99% of companies claim they have an AI strategy, but only 12% of their employees can find it? Wait, what? Who wrote this line? AI? Human in the loop, Jason. Human in the loop. Meet GoodLearn, a scalable, gamified training app that helps all of your employees learn to use AI responsibly and confidently. Right now, most AI training is patchwork. A workshop here, a webinar there, and suddenly everyone is AI skilled in completely different ways. With GoodLearn, you replace that patchwork with a clear, consistent learning experience for all employees. Daily streaks and challenges keep people coming back. And that's not by accident. It's award-winning gamification, refined over years of building consumer apps. There are two ways to learn: short, habit-forming modules that build understanding step by step, and hands-on practice where employees apply their AI skills in a safe environment. As they progress, they earn certificates that show what they can do. If you want a habit to stick, a good environment is a must. Team activities or leaderboards, for instance, help people encourage each other or help them celebrate progress, and also help keep them accountable throughout their AI transformation. Hey, Jason! It's also multi-language. Employees can learn in the language they're most comfortable with, while you keep AI training consistent across countries. From the admin panel, you can manage users and teams, track course activity and certifications, and see clear dashboards showing company-wide AI literacy and AI maturity. And with one click, you can get audit-ready exports. Want to see it in action? Get in touch and book a demo.